Storm Henk causes destruction and disruption across the UK. Causing damages to homes, businesses, cars, and a bike. So this is what the storm's done to my bike. It toppled it over with some extensive damage, as you can see from the video. So I'm going to have to try getting it to my unit and seeing the extent of the damage, I think. So finally managed to get the bike to the unit. There was a guy with a van local and we were able to lump it into the back of the van. Several hernias later, we managed to get it here. And now that it's here, I've been able to see the extent of the damage, and it is vast. The side panels are complete, well, one's completely smashed and the other's just smashed. The nose cone is all ripped apart and broken, and even this windscreen, yeah. It's just an absolute mess, and I really need to think what is going to be the best option to do with it. I've got it. It would be, well, the fairings are irreparable. They are too far gone to plastic weld together. I mean, like, so that's not an option. So I'd have to replace all the fairings, and it would be all the fairings. And it wouldn't be cost effective. Not for what the bike is worth. Especially for the fact that it's currently not running great. Besides that, aesthetically, it wouldn't be cost effective. So there's really only one way for it. And it's to custom it. So either I'd have to strip the back fairings off to have a look, but it would either be to sort of cafe it, brat it, or I don't know if it'd be possible, but maybe some sort of sidecar outfit. What do you reckon?